welcome to my dear students of 10th standard. I, Mrs. Rajkumari, extend a grand welcome on this auspicious occasion. Today you may smile or even cry, but forgetting these memories you dare not try. On behalf of the high school staff and by headmistress of our high school, we wish to make this day a memorable one. Your stay for 12 long years blended with the memories, laughter. We all have gathered here to wish you a good luck to dear seniors. As you start a new brand journey in your life, we wish you a bountiful blessings upon each one of you. Here we are presenting a prayer song as a guiding light, and be blessed, my dear children.
On my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the works thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder. Thy path throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior, God to thee. How great thou art! How great thou art! Then sings my soul, my Savior, God to thee. How great thou art! How great thou
St. Joseph has kindled thousands of students as a milestone of success around the globe. A teacher sees unlimited possibilities in every student you are stuffed with. And girls, you are talented, your skills and goodness. The moments are filled with smiles and tears, laughters and giggles. I know you're going to carry the blissful memories for your lifetime. Now, kindly hear the pearls of wisdom from your teachers, the talks and wishing song too.
Hello my dear children, good morning to you all. Hope all of you are doing well. Though we are in this chaotic situation of pandemic, away from school with the virtual classes, I expect you all to do your best in your studies and reach to the greater heights in your life. I know you miss the school, your entertainment, your enjoyment, your teachers, your friends, etc. But even we miss you all. As I always tell you all, to maintain good health, regular exercises, good hygiene, balanced diets, and maintain good health and good physique also. Be supportive and obedient to your parents. Take care of your health. Stay safe. God bless you all. My good wishes and prayers always be with you. Thank you.
Hello dear students. Hope all are fine, healthy and fit. The last day of school, the closing of one door and opening of the other. I want to thank each one of you, my dear students, for all the warmth, the memories and the learning that we have shared during the 2020-21 academic year. To you, my dear outgoing students, I say a big thank you. For when I teach, I also learn. This past year, we have grown together Always strive to be the best that you can be. I feel very sad to bid farewell to you in this virtual world. Also, I missed to see you all in colorful saris and to admire your beauty. The pandemic kept us away from each other, but let us look forward to other opportunities for fun and celebrations. My dear students, I'm so glad I was your teacher. I can't believe the end is here, and I love you also so dearly because you light up my life. Remember all the fun we had in all the things we did? May not be more of this year or the previous 2 years. So accept situations optimistically and wish you all the best for your exams and the days ahead. God bless each one of you. Take care. Goodbye.
My dear students, I hope you have guessed who I am. Yes, you are right. I am the deadly coronavirus, also called as COVID-19, who was responsible for bringing everything to a standstill and specially responsible for the closure of schools and in turn missing your most enjoyable school days. I am very sure you have the nostalgic moments of the sweet school days, like the school assembly, the classroom pranks, the extra co-curricular activities, the various celebrations like Teachers' Day, Children's Day, and Christmas, the celebrations of Independence and Republic Day, the joy of sharing the food during the lunch break, and the rush to the canteen during the short interval to relish hot samosas, waiting eagerly for the school tour to enjoy with your friends and teachers, and many more sweet memories attached to your school days. Friends, I am Miss Grace. Even now, the coronavirus is very much in the air. You all can stay safe by following some precautionary steps which you are all aware of. Keep yourself safe by following social distancing, wearing a mask, and sanitizing your palm whenever necessary, and venturing out only when there is a dire necessity of it. Dear students, on this happy occasion, I wish you all the best for your forthcoming examinations. As you are stepping out into your college life, may God guide you in all your endeavors, and may you have a bright and fruitful career. God bless you.
A very good morning to all my dear students. It has been long that we met each other, but you would agree if I tell you that we are in touch as per the new normal. My farewell message to you as you begin a new chapter in your life after the cocoon stage of 12 long years in this school will be that you are going to face a world full of challenges. So accept the challenge with courage, be hopeful about things, and have a positive outlook towards life so that you will succeed in whatever you do and leave your mark. So wishing you all the very best for your forthcoming examinations and your future, and God bless you, dear children.
ಸಾಧಿಸುವ ಛಲದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಭರವಸೆಯ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ಈ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆಯ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿದಾಯಕ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಸಮಯ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು, ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಿರಿ, ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರುವಿರಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀರಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥ ಭರವಸೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸನ್ ಜೋಸೆಫರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ರವರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹಂತವನ್ನು ತಲುಪ್ತೀರಿ, ಸುಖ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आशा करती हूँ कि आप घर में अच्छे होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे और अभी आपकी एग्ज़ाम जो है नज़दीक आ रही है, तो इसके लिए आपको ऑल द बेस्ट देना चाहती हूँ. लेकिन एक कोविड का जो दौर चल रहा है, इसमें बाहर निकलना मुश्किल है, लेकिन हम सावधानी बरतेंगे तो घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है. और आपकी जो ये एग्ज़ाम ले रहे वो MCQ बहुविकल्पीय प्रश्न रहेंगे. तो 4 विकल्प दिए जाएंगे और आपको सही विकल्प चुनकर लिखना होगा. ये एग्ज़ाम लिखते समय बहुत ही सोच समझकर लिखिए, समझदारी से लिखिए और बिल्कुल गड़बड़ मत कीजिए. और ये एग्ज़ाम कैसे लिखनी है, OMR शीट के बारे में भी सभी टीचर्स ने आपको गाइड किया है. तो जब आप ये एग्ज़ाम के लिए आएंगे तो थोड़ा ख्याल रखिए कि सोशल डिस्टेंस रखना है, आपको हाथ बार बार सैनिटाइज करने हैं और इस तरह से डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. तो आपके सिलेबस के बारे में भी गाइड किया है आपके टीचर्स ने, सभी टीचर्स ने. तो इसलिए घबराइए मत और अच्छी तरह से आप अपनी एग्ज़ाम दीजिए. आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए और आपके आगे के भविष्य के लिए मैं आपको मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ. ऑल द बेस्ट चिल्ड्रन.
A very good morning, my dear lovely students. I hope you are fine, as we are really missing your presence in school. Someone has rightly said the 2 hardest things to say in life are hello for the first time and goodbye for last. Today, as we bid you goodbye, I would like to thank each one of you for giving me a bag full of memories. I express my sincere gratitude to all my students and send you my best wishes for your future endeavors. I believe each one of you is a gem and will take the learnings gathered here to higher level of prosperity. Be kind and good to people you meet on your way up. Allow the words of God guide you as you journey to greatness. Think big thoughts and optimistic in whatever you are doing. I wish you best of luck in your days ahead. May God bless you all. Thank you, children. All the best for your exams. Be safe, be healthy, take care of yourself. Bye, children.
My beloved students of 10th standard, I, Mrs. Rajkumari, would like to take this opportunity to present a beautiful poem written by me on this auspicious occasion. The title of the poem is It's Hard to Say Goodbye. It's hard to say goodbye. The years of laughter, friendship and moments. You made a difference with full of achievements. The blooming buds, the sparkling stars. Spent happily long 12 precious years and hours. Year after year, new classes and new teachers. Your voices aloud and banging on benches. You learned to live with rules and books. Some turned out to be great writers and cooks. Higher you moved, taller you grew. Indeed, are the treasure of our esteemed school. Like daughters, you shared and cared. You made us difference. You made us proud. You are extravagant, illuminating, and outstanding. You are the gems, Josephites outgoing. Be fearless and loving. Be eco-friendly, noble and kind. Cherish your dreams and create wonders. March forward as nation builders. Never fear at lightning and thunder. You are the heart of every teacher's prayer. It's hard to say goodbye. Your memories are captured in every eye. It's hard to say goodbye. Your memories are captured in every eye. It's hard to say goodbye. It's hard to say goodbye. All the best, dear children. May God bless you. They shall be showered